Welcome to my channel. How to enable Wi-Fi in BIOS ASUS motherboard. 1. Power off your computer, shut down your PC completely. Do not put it in sleep or hibernate mode. 2. Access the BIOS, turn on the computer and repeatedly press the Delete or F2 key during startup to enter the BIOS setup. 3. Navigate to Advanced Settings. Once in the BIOS, use the arrow keys or mouse, if supported, to navigate to the Advanced tab. 4. Locate the wireless or Wi-Fi option. Under the Advanced tab, look for an option related to wireless or Wi-Fi, such as wireless LAN, onboard Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi controller. 5. Enable the Wi-Fi option. Highlight the Wi-Fi related option and press Enter. Change the setting from disabled to enabled. 6. Save changes. Press the F10 key to save changes and exit the BIOS. Confirm when prompted by selecting Yes or OK. 7. Reboot the computer. The computer will restart with the Wi-Fi functionality enabled. 8. Install Wi-Fi drivers. If needed, after booting into Windows or your operating system, ensure that the necessary Wi-Fi drivers are installed. Download them from the ASUS site. 9. Connect to a Wi-Fi network. Once the drivers are installed, click on the Wi-Fi icon in the system tray or network settings to connect to your desired Wi-Fi network. 10. Test the connection. Open a browser and visit a website to confirm that the Wi-Fi is working correctly. Thank you for watching.